Nasabi ko lang na creative na ako nung nag-pandemic when I did my podcast.
What's up, cyberspace? Welcome sa first episode of Dog Brock Radio. 4,000 na bigla.
And I realized it's my creative outlet. Pero if you want to really be part of this, artist first, art first, really protect the business. Have that narrative. When you come into this industry or when you join, protect your artist, ganon. Protect their art form, their artworks, tapos know the know-hows. Siguro hindi ito na pag-uusapan, pero when you're abroad, when you're doing your tours already, tapos medyo successful yung gantong business, nandito ka na, tapos nakalabas ka na Philippines, doon mo makikita na sobrang hirap lalo. Kasi yung organizers mo doon, nurse. Yung gagawa ng tour mo doon, caregiver. Like, there's no actual international company that will get Filipino talents and tour them abroad unless you're part of the majors. So yun, artist first, study the business. We need you guys. Yun lang yun.